Hi, my name is Reem. I'm in product marketing here at ChargePoint. Today, I'm going to show you some of our cloud product and talk about how charging data can help drive your business, and also your business can help drive some of your decisions on the charging solutions. So many businesses choose to offer charging. One of the most popular businesses are, of course, employers. So everybody works somewhere and lives somewhere. This is probably the example I'm going to use most, but also a lot of retailers use ChargePoint, hospitality, hotels, parking places, etc. Wherever you go, you'll probably encountered one of these charging stations. ChargePoint is actually a complete solution. So in addition to the hardware that you're seeing here, every station manager or every business will have access to our cloud solution. And this will enable them at the installation part and at the ongoing care part of the entire solution to monitor charging, to make some decisions, to alter these decisions on how to interact with drivers, how the drivers interact with them, how much they charge, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick demo, show you what this cloud solution looks like, and how it might drive some decisions. So this is a view once a station manager or a business owner logs into our cloud service. This is what they see. What we've done is we've created a dashboard. We wanted to showcase some of the most important and actionable insights that a station manager might need to make decisions. So I'll walk you through some examples here. At the upper right, we have messages from drivers. So you've probably seen the giant mobile app phone here, and you've seen how the drivers might interact with the business that's offering charging. So whether that's an employer, a retailer, a Target, etc., the driver tends to equate the charging experience with that business. So they'll think, what's going on? This is the Target station. And this enables them to leave tips for other drivers or to even try to talk to that business or to talk to ChargePoint. And this is where you, the business, can see that. You can even respond, interact. If you find that there's an issue, ChargePoint support can actually respond to this driver and let them know and give them the help they need. I talked about having some data available. So right here in the middle and the top, you can see station usage. We have this bundled by light usage, moderate usage, and heavy usage. So why does that matter to you, the business? Well, you bought the solution. You want to see how it's being used. You want to see if it's being utilized. You want to see if some stations are being overutilized and maybe frustrating some of your customers, your employees, or drivers who are coming and can't charge. Maybe that tells you, oh, I need more stations. Or maybe you can also see by time of day. You can see when they're being overused or when the cars might be sitting there idle. You might want to figure out how to motivate people to move their cars. These are all the actions that you can actually do within the cloud, and these are the pieces of information that can motivate you to do them. Light usage means the car's been there for under 3 hours, moderate 3 to 6, and heavy over 6 hours. We also give you a view into the station status. So just like your drivers can see which stations are available and they can drive up to them, which stations are in use, you, the business owner or the station manager, can also see how many ports are being used, how many cars are parked at that time. You can also even drill down and see which station exactly. This is actually our headquarters, so we use our own stations. And we can actually see where the car is, if there's an issue with the station, pinpoint exactly where it is, troubleshoot it, etc. Other pieces of information that are helpful, of course, you can always play with this data. You can click on this and dig deeper. You can create your own reports as well. But some very helpful information is environmental impact. Now, a lot of businesses have environmental missions, statements, and if this is one of your motivations for offering EV charging solutions, you want to show the impact, and this is where you can find that. You can see, for example, the impact on greenhouse emissions, etc. So we talked earlier about station utilization, how each business wants their drivers to probably charge at different times of the day. For example, if you're Target, You probably want people to come, you probably want them to stay for a couple hours, but you don't want them to come after you're closed and charge all night. So this is where you can choose to set up the pricing that motivates the behavior that you need. It's very easy. You can choose the pricing based on the utility costs. So you can choose to break even if you're offering this to your employees. You can choose to charge nothing for the first hour and then start to break even. You can even motivate people to move by charging them a little extra after they've been there a while. And you can charge people by the energy, by the kilowatt hour, or you can charge them by the time they've spent there, or a combination of both. So this is just one of the few things that you can do in the cloud. If you want to find out more information, please go to chargepoint.com or come and speak to me or anybody in the booth staff. Thank you so much.